July 3rd, the finale, as we look for my fourth Fantic box to find something good. Let's see what happens here. Shut the door and the cat hasn't come back in. It's not our cat, I think it's the crazy foreign cat. I don't know. There's a rando cat that wanders around. Time to get everything organized. Last spot opening was not very good. So we're hoping for a redemption. Best card so far. The Mother's Day Rockies? I think it's probably one of the teal rookies. We'll see what happens here. Hunter Goodman. Graham Ashcraft. Oh no, Graham Ashcraft. I pulled a. Was it Graham Ashcraft? Maybe it wasn't. I'm trying to remember who I pulled the King Color Match in Series 1. It can't be Graham Ashcraft because he's right here. Is he in both sets? I don't know. Lawrence Butler. Pete Alonso, Whit Merrifield. Merrifield's on the Phillies? That doesn't sound right. I don't know. I'm not watching the Phillies. They're doing good. I'm not watching them. Maybe he's on the Phillies. Nolan Arenado Chrome. Oh, there we go. It's my first one, and it's a teal. That's pretty good. I'll put him in front of Graham Ashcraft. I'll take that one. Probably makes the box there. Nothing too exciting in that one. Well, I feel good that I got one of them. I'm happy that it's actually teal. City to City coming up. Pete Alonso, City to City. I don't know. Dustin May's pitching and Shohei on the back. So home run challenge and numbered is what we're waiting for. We got the retail blue. Stroman, Brandon Lowe. Yeah, 2 more packs. I'll organize these and show you what the end result of everything was. Overall, I'm going to say not bad. Another retail blue. It's a sharp looking card right there. Don't think it's my most expensive card, but it might be the favorite one. I wonder if that's going to replace my numbered cards. It's not numbered itself. Still looking for Home Run Challenge. I don't know how Joey Votto got on Stars at MLB. Daddy Yankee, Nolan Ryan, Brandon Drury. Daddy Yankee and Nolan Ryan. I don't think you get played for Ron Acuna. I think that, so 2 blues. I think that blue All-Star is going to replace my numbered card. Because this should be the Home Run Challenge right here. Don't know what I think about that. Good Kershaw. I don't think they really care what I think about it. Anyway, we are done with Series 2, unless something happens and I find a hobby box dirt cheap. Let's see what you know. I think overall, as far as going out there and trying to get something, I think we succeeded on that. As far as these were $30 a box, straight from the manufacturer. I got it. Did we make our money back? It's gonna be tight. There wasn't a straight up banger that we got out here, so it's hard for me to say that we straight up made our money back. It's fun opening though. We got a little bit over 31. I think that matters more in the end. Anyway, you take care and have a good day.